You guys got anything to say? What are you going to call the boat?
Something fast, huh?
Fast as you? Faster than you? Even faster. So what are you going to do when you grow up?
Fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Build boats? Perfect, yeah. Right answer. Yeah. This is apprentices, Joe and Dan, brothers. Great nephews of the famous boat builder and designer Nelson Bell from White Sands. These boys are very excited about this boat. They think it's going to be the fastest boat in Murray Harbor.